Hi, so this is Teri Steneck. I'm back here and we are on day 5. The video before this kind of showed how they put another piece of casing in, and the casings are about 20 feet long, so they go about 20 feet. We're at about 320 feet right now, and they've stopped drilling for a couple minutes, but I wanted to show you the mud that's over here and the platform. Here's where they put in the casing, and they actually just got through putting in one of the 20-foot casings. There's a video before that that showed what it looks like and whenever they actually welded it together and how they had to put it in place. So we're probably going to be going about 380 feet today. We're hoping to find water. I hope I'm here when they find water. I might come back this afternoon. So here's where we've got, I'm starting to call it kind of the dirt that's come out. So if we look, there isn't that much more than when we started. A little bit. They're going to have to take it and move it around, fill in some holes, maybe plant some more grass over it. All right,